Hi guys, it's 2020. It's going to be the first bike night at Ace Cafe tonight, so going to have to give it a wash, get it ready, and then we can get down there. Yeah, granted the Mini needs a wash as well, but one at a time. We'll do that another day. Let's get cracking. So let's take a quick look at what we're going to use to wash the bike. I'm by no means an expert at detailing and car and bike cleaning, but obviously I do take pride and joy in my bike and normally my car. It's been winter. Obviously there's a lot of salt and dirt on the road, so they have been a little neglected over the winter months, but it's time to get them clean, get them show ready, and yeah, let's get cracking. So what we've got a couple of cleaning cloths. Excuse the dirty bonnet. Going to use one to dry, one to wash off the soap suds, and a sponge. And over here we've got this new portable power sprayer, which there's no power down in this garage, so yeah, my parents bought me this for Christmas, and it's the first time using it, so let's let's see how it goes. So we're at about almost halfway. So this carries maximum 8 litres. Currently now reaching the 7 litre mark. And that will be 8. Let's put it back together. Make sure the lid's on tight. So it works for pressure, so you want to make sure you've got everything screwed up tight. Yep, that's on tight. Right, I believe you unlock the lid by moving it to the unlock position. There we go. So that tells you you've got some pressure somewhere. Right. So pump it, get some pressure. Okay, let's take it down the stairs and let's give it a try. So the first thing we're going to do is put pressure into the washer. Do that. Put it down. Somehow turn it to unlocked position, which is there. Then pump it to get pressure up. There, that's it, lock it in place. First time using it. It's there. too bad. So it's only plastic, don't need to pump it up too much, give it about 5, 10, then you're about okay. Any more than that, it's only plastic, you probably end up breaking it. Let me bring you in for a closer look. I believe the nozzle is adjustable, so let's give that a go. So, looking at the yellow nozzle, if you wind that to its most inward position, when you spray, you get a fine mist. But if we turn that the other way, if you turn that yellow nozzle the other way, you get a bit more of a pressure washer. I think to get that mucky grime off, we'll use the pressure. So let me put you back on the car and we'll crack on. Let's give it a quick pressure. Right, that's got the bike nice and wet, a bit soapy. Let's use a sponge. Wash down, time to dry off. Time to get the wheels. And there we have it, one cleaner bike ready for Ace Caff. Let's take a look. She's by no means pristine clean, but she'll certainly not look too shabby down at Ace Caff tonight. Looking forward to going down. If anyone else is going down, look forward to seeing you down there. It's my first bike night, so really looking forward to it. While we're at it, should we give the Mini a quick wash? Let's give her some love. Let's do it. There we have it. So let's have a quick update. What did I think of the pressure washer? To be honest, you know, heading off to a car wash, you know, one of those outdoor ones where you can wash the bike yourself and you have the pressure washer. To be honest, I think I would have got a much better wash on the bike, but for what I paid for it, which was nothing because it was a Christmas gift, thanks Mum and Dad, you know what, it was fine. You know, it's a quick wash. It's get all that salt off the bike, get all the salt off the Mini. Not there's much on there because it hasn't been driven, but for what I paid for it, it was fine. You know, it's is it better than a bucket and sponge? Not really, no. I mean, 2 buckets, one with suds, one with water, probably better. Is it a bit lazy, just spray the bike? Not really either, because you have to keep pumping it up to get the pressure in it. So will I use it in the future? We'll see. Anyway, take care, bye. There we go, much cleaner, guys. Those of you who have watched the bike intro video know what is in the back of the pickup. As you can tell, there is some boxes in there. So if you haven't already checked out the bike intro video, head over and check that now, and you can see what's in the pickup and what's coming to the bike soon. Thanks for watching. That's a clean of the bike, clean of the Mini. Not the best clean by no means, but it's the first bike me of the year. It's going to get dirty down there anyway. It's January, it's England. There's a lot of salt and dirt on the road. It's a good 40-minute ride down there, so it won't be clean when it arrives, but at least it's better from the dust that is in this downstairs garage. So let's head over to Ace Caff and I will see you there.